Welcome back, EliteAlgo members. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to swing trade with EliteAlgo and everything to look out for so you guys can make profitable trades and have a lot more wins than losses. Let's get into it. So if you guys don't know what swing trading is, swing trading basically means that you're buying a position and then you're holding it for longer than 1 day. So it could be 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, a week, 2 weeks. If you're holding it longer than 1 day, that is considered swing trading. Why would someone want to do that kind of trading? Well, very simple, guys. If you have a very busy life and you can't be on your computer every single second of the day looking at the chart, making sure you get the best in and best out as possible, then swing trading is for you. You're only gonna have to be looking at it maybe 15 minutes here and there every couple hours, or even just 1 hour a day could be enough for you guys to swing trade properly and make very good money in the markets. All right, so let's get started with the swing trading strategy. Now, the first thing you guys need to do is you guys need to make sure that you are on the right time frame to swing trade. You do not want to be swing trading on the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute time frames. Those time frames are strictly just too fast, so you're not gonna be able to do swing trading properly on those. Instead, you're gonna want to be using the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, or 4 hour time frame. My personal favorites are the 1 hour and the 4 hour, so I usually stick to those. But you guys can experiment there and see which one you like best. Now, something that's very important when it comes to trading any strategy, guys, and this is very, very important, is you want to make sure that you are in the right market conditions before you place a trade on the chart that you're looking to trade on, right? So there's 3 different ways that a market can move. It can either be an uptrend where it's creating higher highs and higher lows, just like this. So this here is a higher high, another higher high, and these are higher lows, right? The lows of the chart are getting higher and higher as well. This over here is considered a uptrend. So during this time, you only want to be focusing on placing buy orders and not short orders. So what you're actually looking to do is you're looking to hop into the trend and place your trades right here and right there. That's exactly where you guys want to be placing your trades when it comes to an uptrend. Now, if the chart is going the opposite direction, so it's making lower lows and lower highs, this is considered a downtrend. You only want to be placing your trades right here when the price goes back up to retest a support or some kind of trend line, and then it's going to go back down. These are where you want to be placing your trades on a downtrend, so you only want to be placing short signals on a downtrend. Now, the last way that a market can be moving is sideways, guys, where there isn't really much volume. You're just going like this. If this happens and you see that the chart you're currently on does not have much volume and it seems like it's going just flat on your chart, you want to ignore it. You do not want to be trading this chart. There are millions of other charts on TradingView that you can be trading at any given time, but if you see a chart like this where it's just ranging, you want to completely ignore it and then just wait for a better opportunity. Charts are only going to be trending where it's going to be going up or down, like one of these 2 signals here. This is only going to be happening about 20% of the time. The other 80% of the time, guys, the chart will be ranging, making very, very low volume. And again, you do not want to be trading during that time. This is very important that you don't trade when the chart is like this. All right, guys? All right, so now that we talked about market conditions and when you should be placing a trade and when you should not be placing a trade, let's look into when to place a trade when EliteAlgo gives you a buy or sell signal, guys. Now, what you want to be doing is you want to make sure that you are always following the trend. So there's a couple rules that you guys should be following when it comes to trading with EliteAlgo before you place a trade. The first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to identify if you're in an uptrend or downtrend. A very easy way to do that is simply just to look at the dashboard, guys. If the dashboard shows that it is all green, then you only want to be placing buy signals, right? If it's all red, if it's saying all bearish, you only want to be trading short signals. This is very, very important. So that's check number 1, guys. Okay, make sure that the chart is either all green on one trade or all red on shorting the market, right? If it's giving you kind of like mixed signals where half of it is green, half of it is red, you can still trade it, but it's going to be a lot more risky. So if you're a beginner trader, I would just say don't trade it and just wait until you see a chart that's completely green or completely red. Now, another rule that you can be using when it comes to trading with EliteAlgo to even get even more success is you can simply trade only the smart signals, guys. What you can do here is you can go into the settings, click this settings icon, then go smart signals only. If you check this on, then what happens is it's going to completely ignore every single one of the signals that aren't smart signals, right? So right here, as you can see, it removed a couple signals, and now we're left with the smart signals only, and this will make your trades a lot more accurate. Now sure, sometimes you will miss great short opportunities like this one right here, right? But this would have been generally a more risky trade to begin with, and as a beginner trader, you really want to avoid risky trades as much as possible, and you want to try to get your win rate as high as possible. So sometimes having more patience to get into the next trade is actually a lot more beneficial, guys. These are basically the two simplest rules you guys can be following when trading with EliteAlgo for swing trading. You want to go to the right time frame. You want to make sure the market is in the right conditions. You want to make sure you're following the smart signals only, and you want to make sure that if you're buying, that every single one of these time frame trends are green, and if you're following a short signal, make sure that every single time frame of these are red, guys. That's pretty much it. That's exactly how easy it's going to be. Now when it comes to picking the right sensitivities and what strategy you want to be using, etc., you can go check out the video that I made earlier this week, and that will show you exactly how to get the best sensitivity for the time frame you want to trade and the type of trader that you want to be. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's really that simple to trade with EliteAlgo, especially when you're swing trading. There's not much more rules that you need to follow. That's pretty much it. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Have yourself a good day.